Hello students, we'll see improve your learning of the lesson electricity, current and its effect. Look at the first question children. Draw the symbols of the following electric components. So you have to draw the symbols of this electric component cell. In the cell you have to draw a longer line and a shorter line. Longer line is the positive terminal and the shorter smaller line is the negative terminal. We have two terminals in a cell. Next, battery is a combination of cells, more than one cell joined together. A combination of the cells is called as a battery. So positive, negative, then the negative terminal is attached to the positive terminal and the negative terminal. This makes a battery. Next, switch. This is the symbol for switch where it is in on position and this is the off position of the switch. Next, electric bulb. Electric bulb in off position and electric bulb on position. Yes. Moving to the next question. Draw an electric circuit diagram consisting of a cell, a bulb and an electric switch. So this is the circuit diagram where a cell, positive and negative terminal, here is the symbol for switch and connected by the wires to the bulb. The bulb is glowing. So this is the electric circuit diagram. Next question. Third question. In a series connection of bulbs, if one bulb fails, why do all other bulbs go off? In series connection of bulbs, if one bulb gets fused, all the other bulbs in the series will stop glowing. It is because they are connected with a single wire. If the wire is cut, the current flow is stopped. Hence, the remaining bulbs will not glow. Okay, children. Next question. Write the differences between series connection and parallel connection. In a series circuit, electricity has only one path to flow through. All the electrical components are connected in the path, that is in one path. If any one of them is removed or is not functioning properly, the circuit will be incomplete. Next, in parallel circuit has more than one path for the flow of electricity. Each bulb in the circuit is connected in a separate path through which electricity can flow. If one of them is fused, the other will work without stopping. So this is the difference. If one of them is fused, the others will not glow. But in parallel circuit, there is more than one path. Hence, if one is diffused, then the others will work properly. Even then, they are diffused. Next question. What is the advantage of miniature circuit breaker? Miniature circuit breaker or simply MCB is used in place of fuse. The advantage of MCB have over fuse is that they can be reset manually or automatically to restore normal operation, whereas fuses need to be replaced after every single operation. Fuses are switches which automatically turn off when current in a circuit exceeds the safe limit. It has a switch which goes off automatically if there is overheating. This breaks the circuit. If we turn them on, the circuit is once again complete. Next, we will see the other question later on. Now look at the ninth question, children. Calculation of the electricity bill at household. How you are going to calculate the electricity bill? See, in the bill, electricity bill, when you observe, it will be like this: total power used in the house. How much power we are going to use in a house? For example, 4 bulbs of 100 watts, then it will be 400 watts. 6 bulbs of 60 watts, then it will be 360 watts, and 6 bulbs of 40 watts, then it will be 240 watts. So, totally in the house 1000 watts have been used. That is, 1000 is nothing but 1 kilowatt. Total power used every day. So, for example, 2 hours we are going to use this 1 kilowatt per hour for 2 hours, then it will be 2 kilowatts per hour. So, in 30 days, that is in 1 month, we are going to use 60 kilowatts per hour. Then we have to calculate the cost. Cost per unit. Now in Telangana it is cost is 4.30 rupees. So we have to calculate for 60 kilowatts per hour. 4.3 into 60 kilowatts per hour. So 258 rupees is the monthly current bill of the household for this many units of usage. So like this we have to calculate the cost of the power consumption. Next, 12th question. Draw the circuit diagram for the following series connection. So here is the series connection where you have bulb and cells connected by the connecting wires. So this is the circuit diagram. Bulb in glowing condition, and it is connected by the connecting wires to the battery. These are the 2 cells. So this is the series connection. Next we will look at the other questions now. Look at the other questions. See children, fill in the blanks. Longer line in the symbol for a cell represents its positive terminal. Positive terminal, and smaller line in the symbol for a cell represents its negative terminal. The combination of 2 or more cells is called a battery. It is called as a battery. The safety device used in electric circuit is, what is a safety device? It is a fuse. Next, the device used to close or open an electric circuit is switch. Next, 7th question, we have given the statements. There are the certain statements. We have to say whether they are true or false statements, and we have to give the reason. In series circuit, the electricity has only one path. Yes, it is true. In series we have single path, and in parallel we have more than one path. Next statement, we will see next statement. In parallel there is more than one path. It is also true. To make a battery of 2 cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. So this is false statement. Always to make up the battery, positive is connected to negative and negative is connected to positive. So this statement which has been given is false statement. Next, when the electric current through the fuse exceeds a certain limit, the fuse wire melts and breaks. Yes, this is also true statement. When the load exceeds the limit, the fuse wire will melt and break. Next, the switch is used to close or open an electric circuit. It is also true. Next question, 8th question, multiple choice. Here Arun buys 4 bulbs of 15 watts, 40 watts, 60 watts and 100 watts respectively. Which one should be used in his room as a night bulb? So we have to use with low power watts because we are using at the night time. So the low power is 15 watts. Next, coming to the second question. device used to close or open an electric circuit is. To open or close an electric circuit is a switch. Next, third one, which one of the following is used as a light source? Cassette player, electric mixer, rice cooker, table lamp. So, table lamp will be used as a light source. Next, safety device used in electric circuit is. It is fuse. The safety device in the electric circuit is fuse. Already we have completed 9th question. Next, look at the 10th question. Draw the symbols for the electrical components in the table. See children, cell. How we are going to represent the cell? One longer line and one shorter line. This is the symbol for cell. One is the positive terminal, another one is the negative terminal. Longer line is the positive terminal, shorter line is the negative terminal. Electric bulb. This is the symbol for electric bulb. Next, switch. Switch, electric switch. Next, battery. If two or more cells join together, then it will be a battery. Draw a cell, join together, then it will become the battery. Positive terminal, negative, and negative attached to positive terminal, negative. So, two or more cells will become a battery. Already we have completed this one. Next, moving on to match the following questions. That is 12th question. Cell. Cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So, to the first one, you write E. Next, switch. Switch is used to open or close a circuit. Next, circuit. It is a complete path for the flow of an electric current. It is C. Miniature circuit breaker. It can be reset by hand. Circuit becomes complete once again. MCB. Fuse is a safety device used in electric circuit. Yes, right children. Cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy, and switch is used to open or close a circuit. Circuit is a complete path for the flow of an electric current. Miniature circuit breaker is reset by hand. Circuit becomes complete once again. In place of fuse, we are going to use the MCB. Fuse, it is a safety device used in electric circuit. So, this is all about match the following. So, we complete this lesson. Okay children.